Everyone. Today in this video, we're going to see about the water and its treatment. We have different methods of treatment of water. Here we are going to see some methods. That is external conditioning process, lime soda process, ion exchange process, and demineralization process. So this external process, it involves the removal of hardness producing salts from the water before feeding into the boiler. The external treatment can be done by the demineralization or ion exchange process. Lime soda process is the first technique, and next is the ion exchange process. So this ion exchange process, it involves demineralization process and zeolite process. Anions and the cations are removed from hot water. This process is called demineralization process or deionization process. So all these ions that is present in the water are removed by this process. The soft water that is produced by the lime soda and the zeolite process does not contain hardness producing calcium and magnesium ions, but it will contain other ions like sodium, potassium, sulfate, and chloride, etc. So there is a difference between the demineralized water and the soft water. So demineralized water does not contain both anions and the cations. So thus, a soft water is not demineralized water, whereas a demineralized water is a soft water. So you should know the difference between a demineralized water and a soft water. A demineralized water does not contain any ions, that is either cations or anions, but the soft water, it does not contain only the hardness producing ions. It may contain other anions or the cations. So this process is carried out by using ion exchange resins, which are long chain cross-linked insoluble organic polymers. So what is this demineralization process? The ions present in the water are removed by ion exchange processes. So this ion exchange resins are specially designed with the long chain insoluble organic polymers with microporous structure and having replaceable functional group. Resins are classified into two types, that is cation exchange resins and anionic exchange resins. So these cationic exchange resins, they have functional groups like COH, SO3H, and are capable of exchanging the hydrogen ion with the cations of the hard water. So they are represented by RH plus. So example of these cation exchange resins are sulfonated coals, sulfonated polystyrene. Hard water is first passed through a cation exchange column. So all the cations like calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, etc. exchange with the hydrogen plus ions. And the reactions are as shown in the PPT. Anion exchange resin. So they contain the basic functional groups, that is hydroxyl, which are capable of exchanging their OH minus ion with the anions of the hard water. They are represented by R-OH minus. So example of these are cross-linked quaternary ammonium salts, urea formaldehyde resins, etc. So this anion cation exchanger and anion exchanger is present in the demineralization process, where all the ions are completely removed from the water. So the cation-free water is then passed through the anion exchanger column. These exchange all the anions, sulfate, chloride, carbonate, bicarbonate, etc., present in the water with the OH minus ion, as shown in the equation.